grace of God. What do you want them to remember you the most for? Service to humanity. Yes, we give some stationaries, school materials, and then during our campaign, we insist on, we extracted the few points from the party manifesto. Then we capitalize on it, and then we campaign on it. That is feeding, giving a hot meal to a primary school and secondary school students.
They say, teach me how to fish and I'll never forget. Give me fish, I'll eat and I'll forget. So this is the hot meal that we served our secondary school and primary school students. And I would like to say thank you for your service, Your Excellency. This video is not to attack the government, if I may clearly state that. This beautiful celebration of the affluent children graduating from Ivy League school and the smile on the parents' face of the achievement is not because they served them hot meal. They went to learn relevant tech skills that will change their lives. These are a few other pictures that I found on the internet, okay? This video is not to attack the government. It's just to call to point why we need to evolve our education system and we need to have strategic conversation. I am a rape survivor. I don't call myself a victim. With no father, with no mother. Even the manifestation of the rape is my daughter. She doesn't like me talking about, she likes me talking about it. I don't like talking about it because it's not her fault. I had to raise her single-handedly, raised my daughter. So because of the deprivation, the lack, the rejection that I ever suffered in my life, I made that my strength to give back to the community. If I had the kind of privilege and the support for me to graduate abroad or be exposed like this, my life would be better for it, even my children's life. But so far, I have trained 2,380 people on my own with no support, bootstrapping with my business. The future is STEM education, and the world is looking for people with the technical skills. Asia start to train their children from age 4 to learn coding, to learn programming language, and they've developed a great product. We are a consuming country. For us to change that narrative, it means that we have to start educating our children with STEM skills. We had a tech home school where 9-year-old girl, Favor Fakpetu, graduated and she was able to develop a code. Parents were even shocked. How were you able to do it? That children paid attention for 2 hours straight on a virtual class. So we have another one coming up. I thought I just put it here, but the goal is we have to evolve.